Well, I haven't done a video in a while because I haven't worked on the car in a while. Summer came and we did a 7-week RV trip, and before that I did some work on the RV, and then when we got back, everything's grown up and had to do a lot of mowing and everything else that happens in the summer. So anyway, I've got a little bit done. I got the air conditioning panel put in. It was hanging down below the wires were, so I cut out the hole, got it put in. So that's all rigged up. I also did some caulking around the panels here. You see that black silicone, and down here, it's a little hard to see, but started caulking up the gaps. I got the seats installed. Now these are the leather low back seats, the vintage look, which is exactly what I want. I like them, they seem nice. Of course, if you're gonna do some autocrossing or extreme driving, you'd probably want a racing seat, a high back seat, but these are perfect for me. I like the look, and it keeps kind of the cabin open instead of the tall seats kind of blocking your view. So I got that done, and I put the spinners on the wheel for the first time. These are, of course, fake spinners. What you have is, this covers the lug nut. So you got a modern wheel, which gives you a lot more options. And then the spinner is just fake. It does spin on. So you take this little hub, you take the wheel off, you push this little hub through the back, and then this spins on, and then there's an Allen, Allen screw that you tighten down, set screw. However, I have them on the wrong side, so I put the other side on first, and because they're just decorative and not functional, I didn't think that they would be reverse threads for the right side, like if you had real knockoffs. And so I put the other side on, and I got over here and realized that they are in fact left and right hand threads. So you would put the reverse threads on this passenger side, and I did it the opposite. Doesn't matter, I'll be taking them off again. I really only put them on because our neighborhood HOA here is having a little car show tomorrow and barbecue, and I'm gonna drive it over there. Yes, I'm gonna drive it like this, but it's right here in the neighborhood. And so I thought I'd throw them on there. I had never put them on yet or seen how they look. So they look pretty good. I like them. Obviously not real knockoffs, but you do get a lot more choice of wheels with that type. And at the end of the day, it's probably a little safer. You've got 5 nuts holding you on instead of 1. Okay, what else have I done? I took out the little lugs that were here that are for the cover, because I'm probably not going to use a cover, so I just went in and took those out. And I think that's about it since the last video. Not a whole lot. I did make a video about repairing my sewer gauge in my RV, so that's on. I didn't put it on the Daytona playlist, and if you're only here to see my Daytona videos, I apologize for that one. However, I might now and then make videos about other things. For example, my new, one of the many things I gotta get done around here, I got a new stump grinder here still in the crate. Need to get that together, and maybe do a little review on it when I get it on the tractor. So that's it. I don't, again, I get a lot done in the winter, but in the summer, there's a lot of other things going on. So probably not too many videos until it turns cool in the fall, and I spend more time in the garage. So that's all for now.